Hey guys, it's Payel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a get ready with me. So it's a Friday, like we are in party mood, and before Valentine also, like there is the weekend. So today is the chocolate day also. So I thought of sharing with you guys this look. If you want to know how I have get this look, then keep on watching. Jumping straight in, I'm going to prime my face using the Makeup Forever HD Elixir. So it comes in like a drops. It is quite moisturizing and tacky also. This will help the foundation to stay in place for a long time. Today I've used a lot of Makeup Forever products and they are really good. I bought all these products from Sephora, Bangalore. Next I'm going to take the Makeup Forever HD foundation and apply it in all over my face. Same thing, foundation is also a very good one. First I'm going to apply it using a brush on all over my face. And then dab it on my face using the brush only. And whatever is left in the brush, I'm going to drag it on my neck also. For concealer, I'm going to take the Makeup Forever Full Coverage Camouflage Cream. This is a waterproof concealer and this is also a good product. It stays long day and it's not going to move or crease. So I'm going to use that. So this one is little bit of it's not highlighting, it's like it's a concealer. You can conceal your dark spots, everything, under eye, everything, but it does not brightens your face. So for brightening my face, I have used today this one, the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I have used it under my eyes, bridge of my nose, on my forehead, chin, and near my jawline. Next I took this Sephora Highlight Low Light Face Contour Duo in the shade 10, and using the darker shade I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to apply it on cheekbones so that I get some shade there. Also applying it little bit on my nose and near my jawline. Now taking the pointed end of the makeup sponge by Morphe, I'm going to blend everything. First I'm going to blend the concealer and then set it with a powder. For powder also I have taken the Makeup Forever HD powder and set my under eyes. I'm going to set the places wherever I have applied the concealer. Now taking the different side of the makeup sponge, I am going to blend the deeper color so that I don't have any kind of harsh edges. And I have blended the nose contour using my fingers and not forgetting the jawline. Now I am going to set my cream contour using Benefit Hoola bronzer. So I am going to set the cream using this brush that comes with the Hoola bronzer, and I am also going to set my nose contour using this and little bit on my forehead. Next I am going to take the Fit Me powder and apply it on all over my face so that the bronzer, everything mix nicely on my face. Basically I'm going to set all over my face using the Fit Me powder. For blush, I'm going to use this Benefits California blush. It is a very beautiful blush. It sets on your face very nicely. It's not powdery and it has a little bit of sheen in it, so really a nice product to use. Next, I have applied also some highlighter, Mary Luminizer from Balm Cosmetics. I could not record it. I don't know why my camera stopped working. And next I am going to set everything using the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix, and then I am going to let the mist dry all over my face. I am going to fan air on my face so that it dries nicely, and all my foundation, concealer, everything mixed nicely on my face. Place it with a sponge. This will make sure my foundation lasts long. Next, I am going to take Benefits Precisely My Brow Pencil and the Gimme Brow Gel. This is going to give a beautiful shape to my brows, and also because of the gel, the brow hairs are not going to move at all, and it's going to stay in place. Next, I'm going to use eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to take this Jacqueline palette and taking this beautiful orange color, using a big fluffy brush, I am going to apply it on my crease. So this orange color is going to show up as a background color. Using a small fluffy brush, I am going to apply it on my lower lash line also. Next, I am going to take this beautiful brown color and apply it on my eyelids below the crease. Next, taking a fluffy brush, I am going to blend the orange and the brown nicely so that I don't have separate lines for orange and brown. Same thing I am going to do for my other eye also. And also I am going to apply it on my lower lash line, mostly on the outer end. Next, I am going to take this beautiful dark green color and apply it on my eyelids, mostly near my lash line. And little bit of it I am going to apply it on my lower lash line also, to show a little bit of green on both my upper and lower lash line. At the end, I am going to take the big fluffy brush, clean brush, and blend everything so that we have a beautiful blended eyeshadow. Next, I am going to take this kajal pencil from Chambord in the shade Peacock Blue and apply it on my lower and upper lash line. I am currently obsessed with this. It's such a beautiful kajal pencil, and it's so creamy and it dries very fast, and basically it's a gel liner kind of thing, and its color is so beautiful. I am just loving it. Next, I am going to apply some mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I am applying a couple of coats of it and include for both my upper and lower lash line. So today I am not going for false lashes. I think it's going to cover that Chambord kajal pencil. So I'm just going to apply couple coats of mascara. Next, for lipstick, I'm using a lipstick from Chambord. This is the Chambord Extreme Wear Transfer Proof Liquid Lipstick in the shade Rose Boudoir number 483. I have bought it from the Bangalore airport, and it is a beautiful color. That's the finished look. So I thought this is a finished look, but at the end I found like my brows are looking little bit, you know, dull, and I think I need to brighten up, make my brows little bit darker. So I take little bit of a dark eyeshadow and apply it on the ends of my brows. This is the part which is looking little bit lighter, and anytime you want to make your brows look darker, apply eyeshadow or anything like that on the ends, not at the front. This is going to look more nice and less harsh. That's the finished look. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It encourages me a lot, and if you subscribe to my channel, every time and I upload a video, you are going to get an alert that I have uploaded a video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.